Well, no, that was Joe that said my skin is black. Black man. Yeah. But I think it was something.
Yeah. He said I'm black but calmly means beautiful. I'm fair to look upon.
Yeah.
You know? So he said there's a direct proof. Man. Come on, man. Throw this bitch over the fucking bridge. Again, some man holds his tongue and it's kind of wise. The point is, there's a reproof that is not coming. Like some reproof of being corrected, it ain't gonna always look good, bro.
Yeah.
Like a brother might give you some correction, and that shit might hurt. Well, damn, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta be patient in your lowest state
And humble. And that's love. That's really love. You know what I'm saying? Because you get, like, you know what I'm saying? You get some brothers, you know what I'm saying, when they talking, they get the chopping or, you know, some reproof being spoken, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you feel like damn, they bros. But that's love though, you feel me? Because you gotta understand, you feel me? If your brother going off and you don't tell him because you on this buddy shit, then you gonna be accountable, you gonna be held accountable for that. You know what I'm saying? So that's why whenever your brother going off, you tell him, you know what I'm saying? And then, like, you feel me, if it's like one of those, like, or one of those nasty ones, you feel me? That's still love. Zechariah 13:8. And it shall come to pass in all that land, said Yahawah, 2 parts therein shall be cut off and die, but the third shall be left therein. That in the land, so like that in all the land, said Yahawah, 2 parts therein shall be cut off and die, but the third shall be left therein. That's 2/3, man. That's what you call, like, 2/3 would be like our nation of people that's not gonna repent and come back to the Lord. You know what I'm saying? That's 2/3 is like they not gonna stop eating shrimp, crab, lobster, and pork. They continue getting tattoos, edge ups, all of that. You know what I'm saying? But the Lord, yeah, big adulterers. Good point, bro. You know what I'm saying? They gonna continue doing all of that. You know what I'm saying? And so those 2/3 of our nation, they gonna be cut off and they gonna die. But the third shall be left therein. All right. And this is verse 9. And I will bring the third part through the fire, and will refine them as silver is refined, and I will try them as gold is tried. They shall call on my name, and I will hear them. I will say, it is my people, and they shall say, Yahawah is my power, meaning the 1/3 that's left therein. You know, it's gonna be tried. You know what I mean? That like what we doing, like we being tried through the spirit of YAHAWAH, BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI. We are of that number. We are being tried through that fire. We go through all types of hell. You know what I'm saying? We go through all types of things that, you feel me? It's like, man, you know, but that's the Lord trying us. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna call upon His name. You know, and He gonna hear us. Why? Because we follow His laws, statutes, and commandments to the best of our abilities. You know, and those that don't follow the laws, statutes, commandments, to the best of their abilities, which would be 2/3 of our nations, they're going to be cut off and they're going to die, you know? But the 1/3 shall be left therein shall live and have salvation from the Lord. You know? Because you got Jacob make the laws out to what he want to make the laws out to be, you know? Like, well, we not under the old covenant, we not under the old laws no more. Well, you know, those old laws, he come in the volume of the book that is written of him, all right? So, like the brother was saying last night, the Akim was saying, that you take a book, take a book, open it up halfway, and read to the end. It don't make no sense.
And test them over the beginning.
Yeah.
To the end.
Yeah.
You ain't never, how many people you know open a book and start reading in the middle? You miss the foundation of everything.
Good.
You missing the foundation of it.
Isaiah chapter 48, verse 10. Behold, I have refined thee, but not with silver. I have chosen thee in the furnace of affliction. Behold, I have refined thee, but not with silver. I have chosen thee in the furnace of affliction.
Okay. He had refined thee, but not with silver. Lord looking for gold. Okay. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? The Lord looking for gold. Read it again, Doc.
This is Isaiah chapter 48, verse 10. Behold, I have refined thee, but not with silver.
Not with silver. Now with silver, man, the Lord want gold, man. Precious as gold. What the scripture say? What that was Isaiah 13:12. I'm gonna get it real quick. Just to back up what the brother's saying right here. This is Isaiah 13:12. I will make a man more precious than fine gold. Even a man that is even a man that is the golden wedges of fear, of fire, you fear. It's like, yeah. So the Lord looking for gold, man. You know, read.
I have chosen thee in the furnace of affliction.
Through heavy affliction, through the men of the elect men, gonna be chosen.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be heavy trials,
heavy temptation.
Don't be coming.
That's all the Lord for me.
Yeah.
You know? And so, don't think, okay, I'm gonna come serve the Lord, you know? Okay, it get too heavy. I'm gonna go do this because, you feel me? And then it's gonna make a way, and I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying? He understand my heart. Nah, man, because any man putting his hand on the plow looking back, man, ain't fit for the kingdom, you know?
Also, like, well, what time put us through here, man, like, basically purified.
Yeah. Because the Lord recognizes sincerity, man.
Hey, bro, Satan is working, bro. Like, for real. Now, let me go shoot a prayer.
Yeah. The Lord recognizes sincerity, man. You know what I'm saying? And then the brother, like, don't get it twisted. The Lord don't tempt you. You feel me? It's Satan that tempts you. You know what I'm saying? Because you know Satan works for the Lord. You know? Because he's not gonna set up. Because people get this. I don't know where they get this from. The Lord created Satan. He's not gonna put him on the same eye level as him. You know? So like this peon ass people, man. I don't know. But you know what? That all falls into what, if our gospel were hid, it'd be hid to those that are lost.
Whom the guys of this world
Whom the
blinded the minds of.
Cut! But yeah, though, that's that same woman talking, calling herself prophesied in the church. It's crazy. And the man, he run that church too. The same one out, the church I used to go to. Yeah.
But the dude that was in the car?
In that red car that just passed. Yeah.
Yeah, it's safe. Hey, he coming with some elbows. But hey, we got the name. It'll make us look like hypocrites if we don't call on the name that we were just saying we got the name we can call.
Cut.
You know what I'm saying? I just sent it to my other phone. Get on there.
Yeah. They like that. That bitch Satan is crafty, man. He'll come all different kind of ways. You know? Just like your brother said. Like he gonna come. The most easy thing for him to come through is your woman, bro. Being that she is the weaker vessel. You know? He'll come through anything he can, bro.
Acts 14 and 22. Acts 14 and 22. And 1 Corinthians 10 and 13.
This is Acts 14 and 22. Confirming the soul of the disciples and exhorting them to continue in faith, and that we must, through much tribulation, enter to the kingdom of the Most High.
Check that out.
Much tribulation.
Much trouble and problems. Enter into the kingdom. Much tribulation.
And humiliation.
Much trials, errors, all of it.
God.
Into the kingdom. And let you know, bro, it's not gonna be no easy walk, bro. There's gonna be some real hardcore stuff you go through. And it says much. You don't just have one or two.
You gonna have a little bit. You know? Because it is truth, man. You know, it's like I said, you're gonna be tried, you're gonna be tempted, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna be humiliated.
Yeah.
You know? They look at us, they like, y'all wasn't
You
you
just
dressed?
the looks that people ride by in these cars now. We looking like shit. That's the way that the disciples and all of them came. You know what I'm saying? They had their garments on.
YAHAWASHI had a garment on. You know?
They don't understand, bro. It's Western side.
Yeah.
Western philosophy got it.
Yeah, and like, because this is a Middle Eastern book, you know, and then we live in the Western Hemisphere, so you can't apply your Western philosophies, you know what I'm saying, to this book here, man.
Yeah.
And there's nothing new under the sun, so